Dear friends, this is exercise number 2 and this is to improve our vocabulary. In this exercise, we have to make the words with their meanings. The first one is done for us and we have to follow this example. So first of all, we have to write the numbers 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And dear friends, you know the number 1 is sympathetic and G is matched with number 1, and G is kind to someone who is sad or hurt. Means the meaning of word sympathetic will be kind to someone who is sad or hurt. Similarly, if we look at number 6, which is in vain, so the meaning of this word will be without any success. C. So C will be matched with number 6. So dear friends, this is a way to complete the exercise. I will advise you to just stop the video here and try to complete this exercise yourself. After completing yourself, just resume the video and match your answers with the given table. Thank you very much, dear friends.